Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the world's most expensive NFTs. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Why try to end world hunger when millions of dollars can't buy nothing? Here are the 5 most expensive non-fungible tokens and how much they sold for. These prices will shock, alarm, and disgust you. You've been warned. Number 5, CryptoPunk. Started out with a huge 7.58 million US dollars. A few other CryptoPunks have sold for several million as well, making one really question humanity. What would you do instead if you had 7.58 million US dollars? 4. CryptoPunk number 7523, 11.7 million US dollars. Are you angry because I'm kind of crazy? Shalom Mackenzie, who are you and why did you do this? Did you buy it or put money into it? The skin color, they say, is what makes this so unusual. It makes it a cyberpunk that is alien, so awesome, so 5th grade. It makes you feel like the coolest kid in the cafeteria because you have a cool Tamagotchi. I thought we were supposed to grow up and move on from this. 3. Human One, 28 million US dollars. Last but not the least, it's not a CryptoPunk and it's an NFT with a physical part. Beeple's project is a sculpture the size of a person. It is made of polished aluminium, mahogany wood, and 4 video screens, one on each side. It's kind of nice to actually get something when you buy your NFT. But does the owner get the sculpture or just the vague idea of ownership? 2. The first 5,000 days, 69 million US dollars. Beeple is destroying the competition with this huge collection of artworks, one for each day since May 2007. I can't help but wonder if they really didn't miss a single day. If I'm famous enough, people will buy a napkin with a picture of a cat on it. Beeple is definitely well known enough for that to work. How nice would that be? For 69 million US dollars, would you work for 14 years straight without a break? Then you will be able to retire well and never have to work again. I think that balance between work and life is more impressive than the ads. And we've all been waiting for this moment. Number 1, $91.8 million for the merge. Excuse me? Yes, an artist whose real name isn't even known has sold something for almost $100 million. I call it something because it's not just a piece of art, but a collection of masses that gets bigger the more you pay. That was the end of a very disappointing list. This video is for sale as an NFT for 92 million US dollars if anyone wants to buy it. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. So click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.